Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today is going to be our third installment of the Valentine's Day series for 2018, y'all. Yes, we are at that sexy look, bring it sexy back for this hot mama, yeah. Anyways, today's video is going to be focused on airbrushing this beautiful, sexy Valentine's Day look. So if you're interested in learning on how I got this look, using airbrush makeup, of course, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before we get on to the tutorial, I just want to go ahead and address the elephant in the room. I got bangs! Yes, your girl has had this love-hate relationship with bangs for forever, okay? And I think I've gone the longest that I've ever gone without having bangs after, or a little bit before my last son was born, so my third baby boy. Yeah. He was born and your girl just let him grow out, and they got so long that they just melded into my hair, and I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna leave it like this. But anyways, I decided to go ahead and give myself a nice new do, reinvent myself, make myself look a little different, and nothing really changes your looks than cutting full on fringe bangs. So I went ahead and dove right in, and now your girl has bangs. Yes, this mama is rocking this look, bringing sexy back with this beautiful makeup. No, I'm just kidding. But yes, I've been loving it so much, so I hope you guys love it as well. And number two, yes, my voice sounds a little bit nasally and all of that. I'm not sick, I just have really bad allergies. I live in the Central Valley of California, and if y'all know anything about the Central Valley, it's like a little dust bowl. So when allergy season hits or when the harvest hits, like, you just get all this pollen everywhere and it just jacks you up. Like, it just jacks you up. But yes, it's jacked me up right now. I wasn't expecting it for another month or two, but it came a little bit early. So hopefully you guys like this look enough to go ahead and keep on watching this video. I promise it is worth it because I love this look so much, and I know it's going to be the perfect look for you on your special day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to the tutorial now. Alright, so to start this look off, I'm going to start by concealing using Diner Neutralized Line Olive Beige mixed with Honey Beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my dark circles, and then conceal on the lid and any other blemishes all around my face. You know how I like to do, yeah, because we need a nice flawless canvas for this Valentine's Day look. Okay, once I'm done concealing, I'm going to jump into contouring using Diner Glamour Shade Dark Almond. I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my cheekbones, go around the forehead. I'm going to contour my nose, my jawline, and my chin, the usual. Then I'm going to go in and add a little flush to my skin using Diner Glamour Shade Dark Peach Pink. And then now to the eyes, I'm going to be using Diner Glamour Shade Medium Brown in the transition area. That's the area just above my natural crease. Okay, next I'm going to take Diner Opalescent Shade Underground and just go ahead and define the crease like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it in, not all the way toward the inner corner of the crease. We just want to keep it like the mid to the outside, adding some depth and dimension to this look, of course. Then I'm going to use my shadow shield just to define the outer V of my lid and blend it into the outer corner of the lid like so. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and drag the shade down to the lower lash line like so. Next, I'm going to be applying Diner Opalescent Shade Espresso all over the lid, blending it into the outer lid like so. So this shade, you just want to go ahead and layer up until you reach the amount of depth that you're looking for. I layered this shade up a few times just to get that nice, deep, rich brown hue. So definitely layer it up until you're comfortable, of course. And then once I'm done applying this to the lid, I'm going to go ahead and take it to the lower lash line using my shadow shield to protect my concealed under eye. Then I'm going to go in and reapply Diner Glamour Shade Medium Brown to the transition area, just to go ahead and make sure everything is nice and blended, even beautiful. Then I'm going to dust some on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to go in and apply my foundation, and here I'm using Diner Kohler Radiance line in the shade Honey Beige mixed with Nutmeg.
And I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation the way I normally do. I know the camera gives off like a yellowish tint to my skin. It's not the makeup, it gives the tint to all of my skin, including the skin on my neck that doesn't have makeup on it. So let's not worry about that. In person, it looks fine. So then I'm going to go ahead and take Dinair Polar Opalescent Highlighter in the shade Shine On You and just apply that to my cheekbones just to give it a nice pop. And then down the bridge of the nose, we're going to hit the Cupid's bow. Then we're going to hit the tear duct and then the brow bone. You know how we like to do it. And since you know I don't like to waste my liquid gold, I'm going to go ahead and dust that highlighter all over my neck and chest. Then I'm going to go in and fill in my brows using Dinair Kohlur Brow Shade Dark Smoke and my eyebrow stencil. I believe this is size 8C, just in case you were interested. And yeah, we just going to go ahead and fill them in the way we normally do, yo. Okay, and then now it's on to eyeliner. So here I'm applying my airliner using Dinair Glamour Shade Jet Black in the Cat Eye and Stencil. And I'm just filling it the way that I do it. And then dusting some on the lower lash line also. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara using Mary Kay Last Love Mascara in the shade Black, of course. Then I'm going to pop on some false lashes. Here I used Ardell Plum Demi Wispies. Then I'm going to go ahead and lock in my look using Mary Kay's Makeup Finishing Spray like so, mostly focused on the T-zone. Then I'm going to go in on the lips using Rimmel London Lasting Finish in the shade Tiramisu. And I'm just going to go ahead and line them and fill them, you know, the way we do. Then I'm going to top my lips using Coastal Scents Pucker Up Gloss in the shade Clear. And this is the finished look. Yes! Super sexy, super perfect for Valentine's Day. What do you think? What do you think? Let's get a close-up, girl. Let's get a close-up. Yes!
Alright, you survived. You made it through this video with my nasally voice. Yes, I'm so sorry. But yeah, allergies kicked in. You know, spring hit a little bit early, man. Sun's out. Flowers are blooming. I didn't expect this for another month or two, but it came and it's here. So, you know, I got the allergy thing going on. So sorry about that. You made it through it though. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope you guys love this look. I hope you definitely give it a try. There's nothing more sexy. At least I don't think that there's nothing more sexy than just that brown smoky eye with the deep tones, the nude lip. So that's why I gave this look to y'all for this year. So hopefully you go ahead and rock it on that special day with that special somebody, because you know I will. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or enjoyed it. And remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you do choose to subscribe today, or if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit that little notification bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye!